How do you say thank you in Shona? There are a few ways to say thank you in Shona. Let us explore some of them. Tatenda, meaning thank you. Maitabasa literally translates to you have done a good job, but it is used to say thank you for a service rendered or something received. Waitabasa, similar to maitabasa, but it is used to thank a friend or a casual acquaintance. Waitaako, used for an individual or casual acquaintance. Maita henyu, used for a person that you show respect or for more than one person. Do you want to learn more Shona language phrases? Then follow SARURA Kids on YouTube today for bite-sized Shona language lessons.